Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your laptop hard drive. I have here my laptop, and all that you'll need is your new hard drive and a screwdriver similar to this one. It has a very small head on it because there's very small screws on the bottom of this laptop that hold the hard drive in. So, from the bottom of your laptop, take your screwdriver, and we're just going to unscrew this panel that's holding the hard drive in. Now, that panel should come off fairly easily. On mine, there's only a couple of screws holding it in. Now, by the way, the panel that I knew to remove, I knew to do so because it has a little icon of a hard drive on it. So I take that off. And this is the hard drive of the computer. Basically, it'll usually have some sort of little tab that you can pull to remove the drive. Take out your existing hard drive. Let's grab our new hard drive here. And we're going to take it. We're going to line up the pins on that hard drive, how they would look with the pins on the inside of the computer. So let's stick this hard drive in here to where it'll line up. Put a little bit of pressure on it to get it to pop into those pins. And that hard drive has just been installed. The last step here is to take our panel back, pop it on there, and then take our screwdriver and screw it down tight. That'll hold your hard drive in place after the upgrade. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to upgrade your laptop's hard drive.